Welcome to the magical island of Sri Lanka, also known as the Pearl of the Indian Ocean. A land of golden beaches, green mountains, ancient temples, and friendly smiles. In this video, we will explore the beauty, history, and culture of Sri Lanka, a small island with a big heart. So get ready for an unforgettable journey through one of the most beautiful countries in Asia. Sri Lanka is a small island country in South Asia. It is located in the Indian Ocean just below India. The country is full of natural beauty with beaches, forests, waterfalls, and wildlife. The capital city is Colombo and the administrative capital is Sri Jayawardenepura Koti. The people of Sri Lanka are very kind and welcoming. Most of them speak Sinhala and Tamil, while English is also widely spoken. The major religions are Buddhism, Hinduism, Islam, and Christianity. The mixture of different cultures and religions makes Sri Lanka a peaceful and colorful nation. Sri Lanka has also a long and rich history. Ancient kings built strong kingdoms, beautiful temples, and great cities. One of the most famous ancient cities is Anuradhapura, which was the first capital of the island. It is full of old temples and stone carvings that show the art and intelligence of the early Sri Lankan people. Another famous city is Polonnaruwa, which also has many ancient ruins and statues of Buddha. The Sigiriya rock fortress is one of the most visited sites in Sri Lanka. It is a massive rock with beautiful paintings and ancient gardens around it. King Kashyapa built a palace on top of this rock over 1500 years ago. Today, it is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a must-see place for visitors. Nature lovers will fall in love with Sri Lanka. The island is home to many national parks like Yala, Udavallavi, and Wilfetu, where you can see elephants, leopards, and many types of birds. The green tea gardens of Novara Elia are another highlight. Sri Lanka is famous for producing some of the best tea in the world, known as Ceylon tea. The beaches of Sri Lanka are stunning from Bentota and Mirisa to Trincomalee and Arugam Bay. Each beach has its charm. You can swim, surf, or just relax under the palm trees. The sea is warm and the sunsets are breathtaking. Sri Lanka food is another treasure. It's full of spices, flavor, and color. Rice and curry are the most common dishes. You can also try hoppers, kuturuti, and string hoppers. Coconut is used in almost every meal, and the local fruits like mango, pineapple, and papaya are delicious. The island also celebrates many festivals. The most famous is Vesak, which celebrates the birth, enlightenment, and death of Buddha. Streets and homes are decorated with colorful lanterns and lights. Tamil New Year and Sinhala New Year are also celebrated with music, dance, and traditional games. Tourism is one of the main industries of Sri Lanka. People come from all over the world to see its beauty and experience its culture. The country offers everything from luxury hotels to peaceful villages, from ancient ruins to modern cities. Even though Sri Lanka faced challenges like civil war and economic problems, its people have always been strong and hopeful. They believe in peace, unity, and progress. Sri Lanka is not just a destination, it's an experience. The place where history meets nature, where smiles are real, and where every corner tells a story. If you ever dream of visiting a land full of life, beauty, and kindness, visit Sri Lanka. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing travel stories.